how to create premium mockups with smart objects. All you need to do first is to just generate your image and then look for a way to remove the background first. Yes, that's the first step. Now Viola, you have highlighted it. Now look for a way to remove the background and make sure you have your image or your clothes or whatever mockup selected. Then you click on Ctrl J to remove the background. Now you have that, duplicate it and then delete the former one. Then what you will now do next is now try to create some effects around it and just do some vibrance, reduction and addition if you want or like, just to make me. I want this to be black and white, so I'll just make it black and white. I prefer it black and white. And Viola, we have it. Yeah, let me add a little levels to it, make it a little bit darker and more feel very, very premium. You can just decide to add any effects, color balance, whatever effects you want to add, just add it and make sure your mockups feel premium and luxurious. Now I highlight it too and convert it into just group it. I'll just group it, let me say. And let me just name it color correction. So now click on your rectangle or box layer and then create a box. First off, that's the first step, create a box. You can decide to fill up the object or leave it empty. Then right click on your square object or your object and then convert it to smart object by right clicking on it on the layers panel. You get it? Now double click on the little icon my cursor is on right now and then zoom in a little bit. Then what you will do is click on your tool and then go to your logo and drag it inside your artboard. Yeah, make sure the logo is in PNG format. Then try to just adjust it and make sure it fits. Then click on the check mark and cancel it. Then click on yes to save. Then Viola, you have it. Then now you will add some little effects to it, make it really pop. Now right click on the smart object and click on blending options and then follow up with what I am doing here. Just follow this. You can pause it and play and then start all over again. Just make sure that you are doing it to your taste and it is not that harsh and it is light. That's the whole essence. Don't make it too really obvious that it is not it has to be realistic, you get. So that's the main point. It has to be realistic. It has to look very clean and very sweet and very luxurious. So that's the main goal, and I'm sure you get it. You get the gist.